Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll start al-Wahdatul Khamisa at-Tamu wa-Sharabu ad-Darsu Rabi wal-Ba'un at-Tadribul Khamis Ikra al-Fikra Summa Jibani Nasira. Read the paragraph, then answer the questions. Who wants to read paragraph? Raise your hand. Okay, Miss Rabia, read the paragraph and Miss Khatija will answer these questions.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zainabu Saminatun. Zainabu Saminatun Jiddan. Zainab is too fat. Ta'kulu thalasa wajbatin fil yawm. She eats 3 times in a day. Zainabu ta'kulu fitturi samak. Zainab will eat fish in the breakfast.
Zainab eats.
Zainab eats fish in the breakfast. Watashrabu, and she drinks khahwa, coffee. Watakulu, and she eat fil ghadai, in the dinner. In the lunch, lahma, meat. Watashrabu, and she drink chai, tea. Watakulu, and she eat fil ashai, in the dinner, dajjaj, chicken. Watashrabu, and she drinks halib. Tashrabul halib, she drinks milk. Waznu Zainab, the weight of Zainab, 100 kale.
Miyatu kailin.
Miyatu kailin.
100 kilogram.
Okay, 100 kilogram. Hal Zainabu
Miss
nahifatun.
Khatija will answer these questions.
Ji. Sir, what is the meaning of nahifatun?
Weak.
Okay.
Okay, هل زينب نحيفة؟ لا، هي سمينة جدا. Is Zainab thin? No, she is very fat. كم وجبة تأكل في اليوم؟ 3 وجبات.
تأكل 3 وجبات.
تأكل 3 وجبات. ماذا تأكل وتشرب في الفطور? What does she eat? What does she drink for breakfast? تأكل القهوة.
تأكل السمك وتشرب القهوة في الفطور.
Oh, sorry. تأكل السمك وتشرب القهوة.
تشرب القهوة.
تشرب القهوة في الفطور. ماذا تأكل وتشرب في الغداء؟ تأكل الحامة وتشرب الشاي في غداتي.
تأكل اللحم وتشرب الشاي في الغداء.
تأكل اللحم وتشرب الشاي في الغداء.
في الغداء.
She eats where were we? She eats meat and she drinks tea at lunch.
Okay.
ماذا تأكل وتشرب في العشاء؟ تأكل الدجاج وتشرب الحليب في العشاء. She eats chicken and she drinks milk for dinner. ماذا وزن زينب؟
ما وزن زينب؟
Sorry. ما وزن زينب؟ وزن زينب 100 كيلو. Zainab weighs 100 kilos.
تدريب السادس اقرأ الفكرة ثم أجب عن الأسئلة. Read the paragraph then answer the questions. Who wants to read?
read, sir.
Okay, Rabia, continue.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qasimun yakulu thalasa wajibatin fil yawm. Qasim will eat 3 times. Qasim eats 3 times in a day. Al-fatura, breakfast, wal-ghadai, and lunch, wal-ashai, and dinner. Salimun yakulu wajbatun wahidatun fil yawm. Salim will eat.
Salim eats.
Salim eats 1 time in a day. Qasimun, you mean al-ghada, the lunch.
Salim eats 1 meal in the day, which is lunch.
Qasimun yakulu fil ghada. Qasim eats in lunch. Al-lahma, meat. Wad-dajaja, chicken. Was-samaki, samaka, and fish. Wal-aruzza, and rice. Wal-khubza, and chapati. Wasalimun, and Salim yakulu, he will eat.
Eats
fil ghada, in lunch. As-samaka, fish. Was-salatata, and salad. Wal-fakihata, and fruits. Qasimun yashrabu, Qasim eats.
Drinks.
And drinks. Qasimu drinks. Alma, water. Wasalimun, and Salim yashrabu, drinks. Chai, tea.
Miss Aisha, answer these questions. Unmute your microphone. Miss Aisha, unmute your microphone.
Please, I have a question.
Yes.
What's the exact meaning of wajabat?
Wajaba mean meal.
Meal, right?
Yes.
Okay, then for Qasim yakulu salasa wajabat fil yawm. The number comes before the meal.
Qasim eats 3 meals in the day.
Yes, the number comes before the meal.
Yes.
But for Salim, the meal comes, wajabat comes before the number. Did you get my question?
From 3 to 10, number comes. From 3 to 10.
Okay.
Adat come first, then come the madud. In simple words, from 3 to 10, the number comes first and the thing which is counted comes after it.
Okay.
But in 1 and 2, madud comes first. The thing which is counted comes first in 1 and 2. These are things which are taught in rules of counting.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
Answer these questions.
Kam wajabatan yakulu Qasim. How many times does Qasim eat? Okay, I should answer the question.
Yes.
Qasim yakulu salasa wajabatin fil yawm. Qasim eats 3 times in a day. Kam wajabatan yahkulu Salim. How many times does Salim eat? Salim yahkulu wajabatan wahidatan fil yawm. Salim eats once in a day. Maza yahkulu Qasim fil ghada. What does Qasim eat as lunch? Qasim yahkulu lahma wa dajaja wa samak. Am I right?
Yes. Wal aruzza wal khubza.
Okay. Qasim eats chicken and fish and rice. Maza yakulu Salim fil ghada. What does Salim eat as lunch? Salim yakulu samak was-salatat wal-fakiya. Salim eats fish and salad and fruits. Maza yashrabu Qasim. What does Qasim drink? Qasim. Sorry, I'm looking for the answer.
Qasim yashrabul ma'a. Qasim drinks water.
Qasim yashrabul ma'a. Qasim drinks water. Maza yashrabu Salim. What does Salim drinks? Salim yashrabu shai. Salim drinks tea.
Al-wahdatu sadisa as-salah. Prayer. الوحدة السادسة الصلاة درس السادس والأربعون الأرض الحوار الأول انظر واستمع وعد مصطفى أين تصلي الصلوات الخمسة Where do you pray the five prayers? قصي أصلي الظهر والعصر والمغرب والعشاء في مسجد بلال I pray the Zuhur and Asr and Maghrib and Isha in Masjid Bilal. Mustafa, وَأَيْنَ تُصَلِّي الْفَجْرَ And where do you pray the Fajr? Qusay, أُصَلِّي الْفَجْرَ فِي الْبَيْتِ I pray the Fajr in the house or at home. I pray Fajr at home. Mustafa, لماذا تصلي الفجر في البيت? Why do you pray the Fajr at home? Qusay, لا أسمع الأذان I don't hear the azan. Mustafa, هل تستيقظ متأخرا Do you wake up late? Qusay, نعم بعد صلاة الفجر Yes, after the Fajr Salah. Mustafa, استيقظ مبكرا Wake up early. Qusay, لا أستطيع أعمل في الليل I can't. I work at night. Mustafa, دع المنبه بجانبك Put the alarm clock beside you. Qusay, هذه فكرة طيبة جزاك الله خيرا. This is a nice idea. May Allah reward you with the best. Any question, any difficult word? Who wants to read? Raise a hand. So Miss Rabia, you are Mustafa, and Miss Khatija, you are Qusay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aina tusalli salatil khamsa. Where will you pray?
Where do you pray?
Where do you pray? Five. Khamsa. Five salah.
Okay.
Five prayer.
Miss Khatija, unmute your microphone.
أصلي الظهر عصر والمغرب وعشاء في مسجد بلال. I pray Dhuhr, Asr, and Maghrib and Isha in Masjid Bilal.
أين تصلي الفجر؟
أصلي الفجر في البيت. I pray Fajr at home.
لماذا تصلي الفجر في البيت؟ Why you pray Fajr in house?
لا أسمع الأذان.
أسمع الأذان.
لا أسمع الأذان. I don't hear the adhan.
هل تستيقظ متأخرا? Do you wake up late?
نعم بعد صلاة الفجر. Yes, after Fajr prayer.
استيقظ مبكرا.
استيقظ
مبكرا. Do you wake up?
No, he's ordering him to wake up early. استيقظ مبكرا, wake up early.
Okay. استيقظ مبكرا. Wake up early.
لا أستطيع العمل في الليل. No, I cannot. I cannot. I work in the night.
I work at night.
I work at night.
ضع المنبه بجانبك. What is it mean, sir? The
put the alarm clock.
ضع المنبه بجانبك.
منبه.
Put the, what is it?
منبه, ba has kasra. It is under the shadda, so it is kasra.
जी. ضع المنبه بجانبك. Put alarm besides you.
Okay. هذه فكرة طيبة. جزاك الله خيرا. That is a very good idea. That's a good idea. May Allah reward you.
Any question, any difficult word? Who wants to read vocabulary? Miss Aisha, read it. Unmute your microphone, Miss Aisha.
الظهر prayer. Al-Asr, Al-Maghrib, Al-Isha. Wada, puts.
He put. Wada, he put.
He puts. Yasma, he heard.
He hear.
He
Yes,
hears.
no, he hear.
He hears. Ya'mal, he does. Yastati'. What's that?
Yastati'u, he can.
What?
He can.
Please, can you write it? He can, right? Say it. Okay. He can. Yastati'a, he can. Al-layl, night. Bijanibik, beside you. Munabbiha, alarm clock.
Tadrib ajiban ila silati biktisar. Answer the questions in brief. These questions are your homework. And the last question is for you. You will change this question. Aina tusallina anti as-salawat al-khamsa. After changing it, you will answer it according to yourself. Okay? If anyone has any questions, she can ask me.
No question.
We'll stop here and next time, inshallah, we'll continue from here.